The tests are now fully complete, and we had the opportunity to take the entire group of our esteemed partners for a comprehensive ride on multiple occasions. And you know, it's truly quite surprising to me. I honestly never would have thought that a massive, huge 9-meter wooden boat, which is inherently so incredibly heavy, could possibly possess such remarkably good handling characteristics. So it's not just that people all over the world have worked on boats, they've made them into the perfect design, so you don't have to waste a lot of energy. And in this particular case, a fully loaded boat with approximately 20 individuals moved effortlessly across this expansive body of water that ultimately flows into the vast sea. We didn't go out to sea because our transom is quite low, and to effectively go out to sea, you absolutely need to use a motor with a significantly longer shaft. What's particularly interesting and noteworthy is that we observe representatives from the esteemed Fishermen's Association, specifically the distinguished president, his capable assistant, and over there, quietly sitting, is a highly knowledgeable specialist who possesses comprehensive understanding of all the intricate equipment. He picked up how to use this motor really quickly. Gillis Weber is with us, our partner, and we're answering questions. There are a lot of questions. People liked it. You can tell they did. But as true businessmen, they're focused on fishing, not tourism, even though the boat is more for tourists than for fishing. Fishing boats don't have a roof. The questions started pouring in. What should we do? How do we charge? Can we use a generator? Of course, we already have experience with this. What I see right now is the perfect tourist boat. But what these particular guys truly want is still essentially a fishing boat. They desire more powerful motors. They also want a generator for charging their equipment, and they've already moved on to discussing the actual numbers. They are asking me precisely how much the battery system will cost. Not 50 amp hours, but 180 to 200 amp hours. Well, when it comes to these numbers and questions, I'm definitely well versed and answer confidently. The guys are thinking it over. Well, it's really interesting. Thanks to Gillis Weber, he's just a fantastic organizer. How so? Ocean of Fantasy is just a great ambassador, in a word. He organized everything and did it all without any issues at all. I had just arrived. Yeah, someone brought the motor, someone else put it on the boat, and the boat was already ready. Someone brought the battery, everyone turned everything on, we set off, took a ride. Representatives from the association came, we're sitting in the boat, chatting, socializing. All in all, it's really great, really interesting. Thanks to everyone. What will come of all this, I don't know either, but I can say one thing. Duyanov Motors rules. So, once again, the combined winding motor has proven itself to be simply excellent in yet another place. And as for the precise handling of these boats, handling truly plays a huge, indeed a very significant and crucial role here. If we take an ordinary inflatable boat, the kind I personally used to thoroughly test the various motors on in the very beginning, they're just not even remotely close to what's truly needed or expected. They'll just be lagging behind somewhere compared to this. This huge boat here, it's just like a speedboat. It just glides along there. It just moves across the water silently. By the way, yeah, the guys mentioned that this is actually a problem. The motor is so quiet, we can't tell whether it's running or not. Something needs to be done, something flashing. People who fall into the water need the safety lanyard come off. I don't get it otherwise. It's safe, but to me it's strange. But it's about safety, and most likely, it's not true. So we'll keep adding, fixing, and taking all the feedback into account. But most importantly, I'm waiting for orders. I'm waiting for a big order. Or at least, I want a business, like, say, assembling motors. That would be great. I was told that the president is now focusing on tourism. He's developing new areas, paving roads. He's doing a lot for tourism, and so I think, as the guys say, motors have a big future. It's tourism with electric motors, which is much better for humanity. That's all. Goodbye, everyone. See you next time.